Hello, my dear friend. How are you? I hope you will be nice. Welcome for you, the Pratiksha Education Point. Today we are studying about the 20 MCQ question based on the chemical reaction. The first question is which of the following is a chemical change? Melting of ice, boiling of water, rusting of iron, breaking of glass. The correct answer will be rusting of the iron. Question number 2. Which gas is evolved when zinc react with dilute hydrochloric acid, oxygen gas, hydrogen gas, carbon dioxide gas, nitrogen gas? Correct answer will be B. Hydrogen gas. We can see it's as a reaction Zn plus 2 HCl Zn Cl2 plus H2. So we can see when hydrochloric acid react with zinc, the form zinc chloride and evolve hydrogen gas. So option B is correct. Question number 3. The reaction in which heat is released is called endothermic, exothermic, neutralization, decomposition. The correct answer will be B. Exothermic reaction. Exothermic reaction is that reaction in which reaction the heat are released. Question number 4. Which of the following is a combination reaction? First, calcium oxide react with water and form calcium hydroxide. Select line. Option B. Zinc react hydrochloric acid form zinc chloride and evolve hydrogen gas. AgNO3 react with sodium chloride form silver chloride and sodium nitrate. Option D. Fi react with copper sulfate, form the ferrous sulfate and residue of the copper. The correct answer will be A. A is the combination reaction. Question number 5. Rust is mainly iron sulfate, hydrated iron of oxide, iron carbonate, iron chloride. Correct answer will be B. Question number 6. Which reaction is used in whitewashing? Combination reaction, decomposition, displacement reaction, double displacement reaction. That reaction known as combination reaction. Question number 7. The reaction in which one element replaced another is called combination reaction, displacement reaction, decomposition reaction, redox reaction. The correct answer will be displacement reaction. Option B is correct. Question number 8. Which of the following is decomposition reaction? A. 2H2O, 2H2 plus O2. Option B. C plus O2, CO2. Option C. Fi plus CuSO4, FiSO4 plus Cu. D. NaOH plus HCl, NaCl plus H2O. Here we can see the decomposition reaction. Option A is correct. Option B is association reaction. Option C. Decomposition reaction, displacement reaction. Option D, neutralization reaction. Question number 9. A balanced chemical equation follows the law of option A, conservation of mass, constant proportion, multiple proportion, multiple proportion, Avogadro law. The correct answer will be conservation of mass. Question number 10. Which metal is used in the thermite reaction? Copper, aluminum, zinc, silver. Correct answer will be aluminum. Question number 11. Which reaction occurs when iron is kept in copper sulfate solution? Combination reaction, displacement reaction, decomposition reaction, neutralization reaction. The correct answer will be displacement reaction. Question number 12. The process of the gaining oxygen is called reduction, oxidation, neutralization, decomposition. Correct answer will be oxidation. Question number 13. Which gas is produced during the photosynthesis? Correct. Which gas is produced during the photosynthesis? Carbon dioxide gas, nitrogen gas, oxygen gas, hydrogen gas. Correct answer C, oxygen gas. Question 14. Which of the following is an oxidation reaction? Addition of oxygen, removal of the oxygen, addition of the hydrogen, none of this. Correct answer, addition of the oxygen. Question number 15. Which type of reaction is AgNO3 plus NaCl, AgCl plus NaNO3? Combination, double displacement, decomposition, displacement. This reaction known as double displacement reaction. Question number 16. The black coating on the silver is due to the formation of silver oxide, silver sulfide, silver chloride, silver nitrate. Correct answer will be silver sulfide. Question number 20. Rain acidity can be prevented by keeping food in open air, adding the antioxidant, heating continuously, adding water. The correct answer, adding antioxidant. Question number 18. Which of the following is an endothermic reaction? Respiration, burning of coal, photosynthesis, combustion of the methane. Correct answer will be photosynthesis reaction. Option C is correct. Question number 19. The process of the diffusing of a layer of one metal over another using electricity is called galvanization, electroplating, alloying, smelting. The correct answer will be electroplating. Question 20. Which of the following is a redox reaction? Cuprous oxide react with hydrogen gas, form the copper and water. Option B. Calcium oxide react with the water and form the calcium hydroxide. Silver nitrate react with sodium chloride, form the silver chloride and sodium nitrate. Option D. Sodium hydroxide react with hydrochloric acid, form the sodium chloride and the water. The correct answer will be A. Thank you so much, nice. Please like, share and subscribe the video.